So good morning guys. Today's video we are installing a thermostat on a 1994 Ford Bronco. This works for any Bronco from 1979 I believe all the way to 1996, as well as Ford F-150, 250, 350 and so on. So let's go get her done. We're gonna find the thermostat right in here. Follow the radiator hose all the way around. And right here, that's where it's gonna be. What I ended up doing, I ended up removing this top part of the filter, so that way it would create more room right here in order to unbolt that hose clamp and be able to pull this hose out in order to access the actual thermostat housing. So let's go ahead and do that next. So now that I unbolted that hose clamp right there, what I'm gonna do next, I'm actually gonna pull this whole hose out. Some coolant might leak, and that's okay. So we're just gonna pull it out. Okay, and some coolant leaked. We're gonna place it on top. All right, and if you notice, that right there is gonna be the housing to the thermostat. So right in here, we gotta unbolt that, and we're gonna be able to find the thermostat right behind there. Okay, you have to unbolt it. There's a bolt right there, and there's another bolt right there where my finger is at. I don't know if y'all can see that. So unbolt here and there, and this will slide out. And there it is. There's the old thermostat. And all you do, you're gonna replace it. You're gonna put the new one in by just putting it, see that hole right there? Hold up. You're gonna put it right in there, and then you're gonna put a new gasket, re-bolt it on, and you should be go. So let's do that now. Alright guys, so I ended up taking a razor, cleaning it. As you can tell, surface is pretty clean over here. Surface is pretty clean on this side as well. Alrighty guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put gasket maker on this part right here, then put the thermostat on, then the gasket, and then bolt it on. What we're gonna do, we are going to bolt it back on. gonna do, take our hose, place it back in. Alright, hose is back in. Now we get the hose clamp to clamp on. Tug on it, and it's on securely. Okay, now place back these hoses back in, or these tubes, bolt them back on, turn on the car, fill up with some coolant, and let's see how she runs. Alrighty guys, so moment of truth. We're gonna turn on the Bronco and see how she runs.